Wow. If you go to Twitter, you see so many people have been saying, just forget it. Just forget Terra Classic. That the coin will not rise. The coin will not get to where we have been dreaming of. So, and you see so many people backing this up that they have already moved on. They've forgotten about Terra Classic. And some have thousands. Some say we have over 200,000 coins of Terra Classic. But you know what happened? Some said they have, when they have these 200,000 coins, they bought it at a very high price, okay? When Terra Classic was trading at 50 cents, okay, earlier before rising, and today you can see that they've lost a lot. And people are not really happy because of the money they invested on Terra Classic, and at the end of the day, the coin just crashed under 1 day, okay, under 1 day. And assume it's a coin that was dropping slowly. When a coin is trading at $120, and maybe the next day you see the coin trading at 120, 118, then 116, 115, every day maybe dropping 110, 100, 95. People will have rushed to change, to convert it to stable coin. People wouldn't have lost a lot. But in the case of Terra Classic, the way it happened, almost within 1 or 2 days, everything just dropped from almost $120 down to almost nothing. Not even 1 cent, not even 0.001, not even 0.0001. Terra Classic dropped to almost 3 to 4 zeros, all the way from almost $120 within 1 or 2 days. So this is a heartbroken for so many people that invested on the coin, and I still believe if anything can happen that can push this coin to revive, to reach 1 cent, people will still make profit. Now, you might ask yourself, how can someone now make profit? Someone that must have invested, let's say, $1,000 on Terra Classic before they crash. How can the person make profit? It's very simple. The main important thing is for Terra Classic to reach 1 cent, which means if I'm to invest $100 on Terra Classic right now, but the only difference that they need to still invest, that's the truth, they need to buy a few coins. So let's say if I'm to invest $100 and Luna hit 1 cent, then I'm making a profit of about $8,000. At the end of the day, you are making $7,000 plus profit. So it simply means $50 will give you almost $3,500. You are still making a profit of $2,500. If you're investing $10, you might end up making almost, that should be close to $700 or $800. Remember, you invested $1,000. So you just need a couple of maybe $20, $30 in order to even make more profits on Terra Classic once you reach 1 cent. That is the goal, that's the dream. That is what so many people have been hoping to see. If this can even happen, if it will happen, believe me, at the end, then everyone that have Terra Classic coin will definitely rejoice. So, but right now, a lot of people are saying, just forget it, that it is over. But I don't think it's really over. Even though for me, I believe the coin to find it difficult to rise. But anything can still happen because this is crypto industry. That's how I want to end the video. But please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.